An application letter is a formal document you send to express your interest in an opportunity. Think of it as a personal sales pitch, where you highlight why you are the best fit for the opportunity. Welcome to Vacancies. Today, we are diving into how to create or craft an effective application letter. Whether you are applying for a job, a scholarship, or a program, this is your chance to leave a great impression. An application letter typically has 4 major parts: the header, the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Let's take each of them one at a time, starting with the header. The header includes your contact information, the date, and then the recipient's details. Your contact information includes your name, your address, your email address, and your phone number. Then you add the date. The recipient's details include the recipient's name, the recipient's job title, the recipient's company, and then the address of the company. The next part of your application letter is the introduction. Your introduction should grab attention. State your purpose for writing the letter, how you found out about the opportunity, and express enthusiasm. For example, "Dear hiring manager, I am excited to apply for the position of a legal associate at XYZ Limited as advertised on Vacancies Global. With my background in legal research, corporate compliance, and contract drafting, I believe in my ability to contribute significantly to your team." The next part of your application letter is the body. The body is the core of your letter. Make sure to highlight your qualifications, your experience, and your achievements. For example, in my previous role at XYZ Limited, I contributed significantly to reduce the turnaround time for contract reviews by 40%. Use specific examples in this section. The last part of your application letter is the conclusion. Keep the conclusion polite and action-oriented. For example, "I look forward to contributing my skills and experiences to your team. I look forward to discuss how I can contribute to your organization's goals. Thank you for taking the time to review my application." Then you can sign off with a phrase like "yours faithfully" or "sincerely" and write your full name beneath it. Here are some other tips to help you make a lasting impression with your application letter. 1. Keep it concise and stick to one page. 2. Proofread it several times to eliminate all typos and errors. 3. Tailor it to the opportunity. 4. Use readable formats like Times New Roman or Arial in the font size 11 or 12. That's it. Writing an application letter does not have to be daunting. With this structure and tips in mind, you are well on your way to make a lasting impression. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.